Instagram has become one of the internet's most powerful platforms, so much so that the social media app has gained the ability to change the trajectory of someone's success. But with thousands of other people and brands hoping to use the app to their advantage, how can you make sure that your sports brand gets the most out of the platform? Hey guys, welcome to Creatitive, where we help athletes, sports marketers, and athletic business owners learn how to build those lasting legacies beyond the game. Every Tuesdays and Thursdays, we talk about solutions that can truly change the business of sports. Today, we'll be discussing how to grow your brand on Instagram. We'd love for you to tackle that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. Instagram is one of today's most popular platforms across the globe. With roughly 1 billion active users monthly, the photo sharing network is particularly popular in the US, with at least 170 million users in the country. It's no surprise that a large majority of the market is clamoring to use the platform for their own benefit. With such promising opportunities, it's hard to dismiss Instagram's power. Sure, the platform has the ability to change the trajectory of your brand, but only if you learn how to fully master it. And it's difficult to grasp something you don't 100% understand. Before we start on the actual growth hacks, let's first delve into how Instagram can help you grow your brand. Social media marketing is generally seen as a crucial strategy in today's competitive sporting industry. But the fact of the matter is, how you use your social media strategy and what platform you use specifically makes or breaks your marketing efforts. Over the recent years, as we continue to embed social media in our daily lives, experts have observed that visual content is one of the leading ways brands can engage with their fan base online. And Instagram is the only platform on the internet that inspires its users to make the most out of photography. The social media app offers its users several features that allow them to share photos and short videos with their followers. This means that besides photos, brands get a chance to explore other visual content that might just be more entertaining than a normal image. And the more diverse your content is, the larger number of sports fans you can reach. One of its features, Instagram Stories, is seen to be at least 500 million active users as of date. Just imagine the kind of engagement you'll get on one platform. Recent studies have revealed that 1/3 of Instagram users are known to have bought a product or tried a service that they've seen online. Generally, Instagram provides brands with the opportunity to build a visual experience that keeps people engaged and interested in what they offer. So, no gimmick here. What is the best strategy to grow your account on Instagram? Now that you have an idea of how Instagram helps brands like yourself grow through followings online, we'll now discuss the actual growth that you need to grow your business on Instagram. Let's start with hashtags and why hashtags are really important. Hashtags are one of those things that brands claim to know how to use, but don't really know how to harness it effectively and efficiently. Recent studies have revealed that 7 out of 10 hashtags used on Instagram are branded, meaning a large majority of these hashtags are associated with a certain brand or a certain company. Hashtags are great tools that make content searching much more convenient for your fan base. Similar to how you use keywords on search engines like Google, hashtags are used as terms for searching specific photos. Think of it as SEO, but for social media. You can use keywords, but the amount and the kind of keywords you use are crucial to user intent and the success of the purchasing decision. So just because a certain term is popular doesn't mean that your brand needs it. The wrong tags will only lead you to irrelevant engagement with the wrong following. Keep in mind that the main reason you used hashtags is to find relevant engagement. Sports fans that actually care about your brand. If you want to make sure that the right people find your business's or brand's profile, then you need to find the kind of hashtags that are relevant to them, similar to how you conduct keyword research. Now, you shouldn't just pick any hashtag out of a whim. You need to take a good look at all of them and how they relate to your brand and its products. You can start building your list as you go, but make note that Instagram only allows you to use a maximum of 30 hashtags per post. And as of today, we really only recommend doing 8 or so. The app itself tries its best to rid its users of spammy posts. So to prevent Instagram from banning your account, try your best not to overdo hashtags. Make sure that you mix different keywords in. For example, use product-specific keywords alongside branded hashtags, or sometimes you can add geo-targeted hashtags to target local sports fans in your area. This works great for sponsors you may have in a locality. Make sure you make a list of hashtags you'll use on your actual posts and Instagram stories. You want to find the right time. Timing does matter when it comes to sharing content online. Certain campaigns have seen their posts fail simply because they missed the right timing. When you want to post something, you'd want to make sure that it's at a time when your particular fan base is more active. If a large majority of your sports fans are active around 8 in the evening, then you'll want to schedule your post for around that time. Building a fan profile can help you figure out the best times of day or days of the week depending on those profiles. These profiles will help you gain a better understanding of the habits of your fan base. You'll know when they're most likely or less likely to go online. Sure, figuring out a posting schedule that fits the online activities of your fan base can seem very easy or just too extreme. It would take you quite a while to do the research and develop an efficient posting schedule for your campaign, but finding the right time reaps great benefits on something eventually pushing the needle. Use highlights. Over the recent years, Instagram has provided its users with a way to save their favorite stories and organize them according to their liking with the help of highlight sections. Highlights can help you communicate what your account is all about in a couple of short clips. If you're worried that maybe your stories haven't reached enough members of your fan base, you can give them another chance by adding them to your highlighted section on your page. Additionally, prospect followers can now see what your brand is all about without having to dig through thousands of photos and different platforms like your website or your YouTube channel. They can grab all the information that they need about your brand through some nice highlighted sections. You want to leverage user-generated content. There's a reason why most brands today encourage their sports fans to take photos or videos of their products or services. Studies have revealed that 50% of millennials are less likely to trust content coming from brands. That's why when they eye some new products or services, the first thing that they look up are reviews. Because companies don't normally pay for user-generated content, users see them as an authentic viewing experience and they trust the brand more. Younger sports fans trust user-generated content more than normal content from brands. And if you take a quick look at some of your competition, you're likely to see a handful of user-generated content. Not only do they make you seem more trustworthy than other brands, but also helps you achieve better engagement from your sports fans. When mastered well, Instagram has the ability to change your business in a span of a few weeks. But this kind of success is only possible if you've spent plenty of time getting to know the platform, its features, and its users. If you want to learn more about how you can elevate your social media marketing campaigns, why don't you check out the rest of our videos on digital marketing? We hope you guys loved today's video, and if you want to learn more about the great solutions that can truly change the game, again, don't forget to tackle that subscribe button and that notification bell. It really helps the channel grow. Now, this is Zach with Creatitive, where business is our sport.